Hey, beautiful people. Welcome back to Beautyistic, your go-to spot where we break down beauty products with honesty, science, and a touch of fun. If you're chasing healthier, stronger hair without the drama, stick around because I'm sharing my experience with the L'Oréal Paris Elvive Total Repair 5 Repairing Shampoo and Conditioner Duo. No fluff, just real talk on how this set performs for damaged hair. This set pairs a shampoo and conditioner designed to repair 5 common hair issues: breakage, dryness, dullness, roughness, and split ends. It promises silky, healthy, and manageable hair by using a formula that includes up to 9% repair concentrate with protein. The shampoo and conditioner are meant to strike a balance, not too heavy, not too light, to deliver intense care without weighing your hair down. Plus, they come with that classic L'Oréal floral creamy fragrance with subtle green notes, which is a nice sensory bonus if you enjoy that kind of scent. So here's what happened when I put them to the test. Incorporating the shampoo and conditioner into my routine was straightforward, nothing complicated or time-consuming. The shampoo lathered nicely, cleansing my scalp thoroughly without stripping away moisture, which is crucial for damaged hair. The conditioner felt nourishing and smoothed my strands well without leaving a greasy residue or buildup. I tested this duo over several weeks, including days when I styled my hair with heat tools and days I let it air dry to see how resilient my hair felt. What I really appreciated was the softness and improved manageability I noticed after consistent use. My hair felt silkier and less prone to tangling, which speaks to the repairing action they advertise. However, I wouldn't say it's a miracle fix for severe damage or split ends that require a trim, but it definitely helps maintain healthier hair over time. If your hair is extremely damaged or chemically treated, you might want to complement this set with targeted treatments for best results. On the plus side, the texture and scent make the daily hair wash feel like a mini spa moment, and the protein-based formula really supports hair strength without heaviness. It's easy to use, affordable compared to high-end salon brands, and widely available. On the downside, if you're sensitive to fragrances, the scent could be a bit strong since it's quite floral. Also, the shampoo's sulfate content may not suit very dry or curly hair types that prefer gentler cleansers. Value-wise, this duo hits a solid middle ground. You get a large 28-ounce size for both shampoo and conditioner, which stretches out usage nicely. The ingredients focus on repairing proteins and moisture, which is what you want in a damage-focused routine. And the price generally lands well below premium repair products, making it accessible for most budgets. If you're comparing this to similar drugstore repair shampoos, it stands out for its balanced formula that doesn't over-dry hair or leave it heavy. Some alternatives might lean more towards hydration or color protection, but for general repair with a pleasant scent and good slip, this one holds its own. Packaging is your standard sturdy plastic bottles with flip tops. Practical and travel-friendly, but nothing luxe. The formula's shelf life aligns with typical hair care products, so no surprises there. I haven't had direct contact with L'Oréal customer service for this product, but the brand has a solid reputation for support and reliable availability worldwide, so that adds peace of mind if any issues come up. If you're on a tighter budget or prefer fragrance-free options, there are simpler sulfate-free repair shampoos and conditioners out there, but they might not have the same protein-focused formula or scent experience. For those willing to spend more, salon brands offer advanced treatments, but this set is a smart choice if you want effective repair without breaking the bank. So to sum it up, L'Oréal Paris Elvive Total Repair 5 Repairing Shampoo and Conditioner deliver a nicely balanced formula that makes damaged hair feel softer, stronger, and easier to style. It's ideal for anyone with mildly to moderately damaged hair looking for a budget-friendly, pleasant, everyday repair duo. While it won't replace a professional treatment for extreme damage, it's definitely a worthy staple in your hair care lineup. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've already tried this shampoo and conditioner, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. Did it work for your hair? I love hearing your experiences. You'll find a link to purchase the set in the description or comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.